Hi everyone, it's me again, Happy Lou Vlog. So welcome back to my random vlogs. More power and keep safe everyone. So God bless. It's me again, Happy Lou Vlogs. Hi guys, samahan niyo ako ngayon sa aking video how to make special tuna salad. So pasarapin natin ang simpleng tuna. So meron tayong celery, colored capsicum, onion, white onion yung ginamit ko, and then meron tayong leeks and parsley or bakadunis and the red radish. So simple lang. Syempre chachap natin lahat ng ating mga gulay, and then syempre mix and then i-style lang natin. So for lunch ito, manok yung kanilang ulam, so i-turn na natin sa kanilang ulam na manok. So yun lang guys, simple lang. So nag-hide na natin lahat syempre, and then konting arte lang natin. So nilagyan ko rin siya ng sauce na pepperoni, mild lang, and mayonnaise, and then lemon juice lang natin. So yun lang. Ayan, na-mix ko na lahat, and then syempre mi-mix natin ng mabuti. So hindi ko na show, nag-add pa ako ng pipino dyan, and then yung pepper pala, and konting salt lang. So yun lang. I hope na magustuhan niyo yung aking video for today. So ayan, mix as well. And syempre ang ating sauce. So kung gusto nyo na medyo maanghang, so you can add fresh chili or chili flakes or powder, or yung gamitin yung sauce is yung spicy. And syempre is na mix na natin na mabuti. So design lang natin ng simpleng design. So nag-hiwa pa ako ng red radish for garnish or pang side natin sa ating salad bowl. And then syempre yung ating lemon, nag-style din ako. So, simple lang guys, na. Thank you so much for watching, for your support, and God bless, more power to our channel. It's me again, Happy Lou Vlog.